On a certain Minecraft server entirely populated by children, a court case begins. It was decided that T-Man would be the judge, despite never having been on the server before. Lacking any sort of qualifications or knowledge on legal proceedings. This is his story.
Right, and I take it we should start with the proceedings now, or are we waiting for a larger audience here?
This is about as big as it's gonna get.
Alright. All rise for the unquestionably honorable Judge T-Man, here to judge this case between the prosecution and the defendant whose name I can't remember.
Okay, you're supposed to sit over with Jack, Will.
Sit next to me, I swear to God, Will. Get in the seat.
Honorable Judge T-Man, I bring you here today to discuss the defendant's crime, which is X-raying. Within the first 24 hours of the server, Smash Bartel gathered a full set of netherite armor. We believe that he has committed X-ray.
Alright, and for the defense, how do they plead?
Not guilty.
Just shut up, Will. No, you plead guilty. No, okay. We plead guilty under the context that...
Oh, okay. So this case is for a plea deal, and he is pleading guilty.
I would like to bring Smash Bartel to the stand.
Get to the stand. Also take some pumpkin pie.
Smash Bartel, is it true that within the first 24 hours of the server's existence, you X-rayed for a full set of netherite armor?
Yes, definitely, 100%.
And is it not true that I suggested that you pled guilty, and I said that you would be let off lightly if you admitted it, and I would delete all of your netherite armor and you'd get banned for 1 week?
Would the prosecution please not make such threatening remarks?
Okay, whatever.
Yeah, that means shut up, Caleb.
Would you mind explaining to me why it is you decided to X-ray?
Netherite hard to get.
Now, would the defense like to bring any witnesses to the stand?
What? Would you describe yourself as a smart person?
No.
Objection, Your Honor.
Yeah.
Relevance.
It's going somewhere. Shut up, I have a sword. Okay, would you say you're an impulsive person?
Yes. That is
So I say he wouldn't have been in the greatest state of mind, and he's inherently an impulsive person. And he didn't do this with bad intentions necessarily.
Can I say something, or should I not say anything?
Go ahead.
I will say the main reason is because netherite hard to get. Yeah, I just wanted to build.
Does the prosecution have anything further to add to this case?
I would like to bring Mr. Dad for sure to the stand. Can the defense and everybody else stop fighting? Can you guys, like, take a seat? That includes you. Go sit down.
Order, there will be no further murders in the courtroom today, or suicides, thank you.
Now, how long did it take you to get just a few pieces of netherite?
It took me about 3 hours to get, like, 6 pieces of netherite.
Now, I would like to ask, is this unfair that such a man such as William Bartel was able to get 24, if not more, netherite?
25.
25 netherite in less than 24 hours by just X-raying and a full set of diamond armor to complement it?
Well, no, it isn't fair. It's not fair to everybody. If you're trying to have equal footing, it's not fair.
Alright, and does the defense have anything further to add?
Stop.
To be fair, Will did not take course in any trading or economic meddling in any sort or giving anybody anything, so his increase in netherite wealth had no effect on any outside player.
Well, it probably would have been a good point to raise while questioning your defendant, but I will let that pass because currently there is another fight in the corner of the courtroom. Order, please! I will now allow for closing remarks if you have any.
Can I say something?
Prosecution called dibs first.
You're not even... You're a jury member. You be quiet. Your Honor, I would just like to state that this man had us go through every single one of our players' achievements, advancements, and statistics to find out whether or not they had cheated for netherite, when he was the only other person on the server other than me who had netherite. And we had found X-ray strip mines. I have evidence of that. But
Objection. I have to say it was an impulsive move. It was pretty funny, though.
Okay, that's about it. It was unfair, and he lied multiple times, and he didn't accept my settlement.
All right, very well. And the defense, do you have a closing statement?
Caleb stated there'd be a deal if Will admitted to X-raying. The other option was being permabanned, this will probably be the biggest group activity on the server, and this is his main gaming experience, and it'd be too strong of a punishment to be completely separated from everyone on the server for 4 months.
Very well. The jury may now congregate and decide on the fate of the defense.
You guys decide whether or not
Alright,
he's
guys.
guilty.
You think he did the thing? I heard he did.
He's disrupting the courtroom and not really paying attention, so I'd say he's pretty much insane. I say guilty.
Does anyone here object to finding the defense guilty?
I object.
Anyone else?
Shut the hell up.
Yeah,
Hey, am I allowed to come out here and talk for a minute?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll call him to the stand.
I asked Jack to call me to the stand, and he didn't. Thanks.
Yeah, I forgot, because you kind of suck.
So anyway, basically, right?
Are you gonna even help my case?
Alright, so basically, my opinion is, think about this for a second, seriously. Think about the situation.
I swear to God, no, don't you dare say it.
Is this that big of a deal? I want you to seriously think about that question, right? I duped on the last server. I hack on CSGO, you know, among a lot of other things, right? Why do people cheat in video games,
Filthy
right?
casual.
Because it's fun. This is a friend Minecraft server. There's no public people, it's just us. Like, just take away the netherite stuff and let the kid play the game. William, do you want to keep playing the game with us?
Yes, 100%. I'm okay with starting over, like doing like community service in the game. A ban would be sad.
Is this that big of a deal? Think about that question, okay?
Right.
I object, he doesn't have shoes on, he's not allowed in the courthouse.
guys, if you think that William is guilty, say in chat, I.
He said I himself.
The jury overseeing this case hereby finds Smash Bartel, aka Will, the defense, guilty of X-raying and finding netherite at a ludicrously fast speed. Accounting for the fact that he is willing to cooperate, yet seems to be a bit of the erratic sort of state of mind right now, it would be most appropriate for the defense to hereby forfeit all of their assets to the state, as it shall all be accounted for and publicly incinerated. The state will also attain rights to his property and do with it as they will. And as for his sentence, in order to calm himself down and find perhaps a bigger peace of mind, he shall be banished for approximately 3 weeks.
Oh, then bye, guys.
Wait, wasn't it gonna be 1 week? Why is it 3 weeks now? What made it worse? What made his case
We never
worse?
did an execution.
We didn't even get to execute him, goddammit.
Make sure to put my channel description in the thing.
Can you guys hear me or no?
I don't care about my channel, but just say,
Then why did you
but
guys
in the
ignore it when it
description,
was
just
done?
put down, Gabe said this video is cool. That's all I asked for.
Bro, come on. I feel like a Euro because